How's it going, everyone? And in this video I am fly fishing. Like you can see, I have a fly rod in my hand. So what I did in this video, I went down to the river to fly fish and hopefully catch some fish, but the conditions weren't quite right to catch any fish, so I didn't catch any fish. And I started to get really angry because my fly kept on getting stuck in a whole bunch of bushes and it was getting really annoying. So enjoy this video. Already stuck within the first 5 minutes. These little bushes, dudes. Like, really. They are devil bushes. Ah, seriously? Crap, man. Well, okay, that just happened. That's fine. The heck is this? I just kind of shut the camera off for like 15 minutes or so. I've gotten stuck at least 7 times. Don't know what it is about today or the spot that I'm in. I'm literally right under the bridge. Like you can see the bridges right there. I'm stuck in that bush. What the heck? I'm stuck in all the bushes. Ah! Got it. Alright, get out there. Alright. I swear, this little patch of grass, I am going to cut with my teeth. And I will kill the rest of your family and friends. I just snapped off. Ah! Ooh. There's a whip now. Come at me, bushes. Yeah. Alright, this is much more fun than fishing. Alright, rod is away. I am done whipping the air over my loss of a fly. I don't know which frickin' bush it's on, but there it is. Sneaky little chicken. Ah, that's what I thought. Alright, so I had a little wind knot in my line, and I knew that was going to break off at some point, and it just did. Right there, and that's where I thought it was going to break off. So that's one victory for me today. I knew where my line broke. Alright, but the nice thing about the summer when fly fishing is that you usually get snagged on all the leaves, not the actual branch, so you can just rip the leaf off with no problem. Usually. But in this case, they're always hooking the actual, like, the woody part of the branch. Nope, stay. Recap, the reel came off my rod. That's not a surprise because it's an old rod. I got stuck many times, not a surprise. My line broke, not a surprise. I didn't catch a fish, not a surprise. So yeah, that caps up this video, you know. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Might as well just jump in the water. Like, what the heck? Make my ride home even worse. Alright. So to recap my day. Like down here, wasn't raining, it was fine. Got here, it started to rain. I didn't catch anything, got snagged a couple times. Came under the bridge, got snagged about 8 times. Make that 9. And then still didn't catch any fish. And then my fly broke off. and then I started whipping my line around. That was fun. That was a highlight of my trip. And then just after that, I called it a day. And the one plus side is that my feet are dry and they're nice and warm. My fingers and hands, cold and wet. My arms, cold and wet. Just my feet are dry. And one last thing that I forgot to mention. My legs are wet. Actually, correction, my legs are soaked.